Chapter 11. Domains of AI. We all are aware of the fact that every machine or organism is made of smaller parts that perform a specific type of task. Similarly, the AI system is also built from different smaller mechanisms that help the AI to work properly. These working mechanisms are the different components with which the AI system can work. They are commonly called domains of AI. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the different domains of AI. Domains of AI. There are different approaches or domains to achieve artificial intelligence. There are various methods through which we can develop artificially intelligent systems. Let us learn about these domains. Natural Language Processing, NLP. This is a subfield of AI which helps in communication between human and computer in natural language. It enables a computer to read and understand data by mimicking human natural language. This subfield of AI is used for a variety of tasks, such as email filters. A lot of people receive a lot emails which are useless. NLP checks the sender of the email and categorizes the mails as spam or junk. NLP also finds its use in the autocomplete and spell check feature of word processors. NLP also proves to be quite useful in voice text messaging and virtual assistants. Big Data. AI's ability to work so well with data analytics is because of its use of big data. Without making its presence known, big data has already been everywhere. Big data has become a valuable commodity. It can be defined as massive amount of stored data which when analyzed properly could reveal valuable insights into industry to which the data belongs. Usage of big data in AI. Internet is the biggest data provider of consumer habits, likes and dislikes, activities and personal preferences which were otherwise not possible. Social media accounts, online profiles, product reviews, tagged interest, shared content, almost every information adds value to the big data pool. Using data from many sources, AI can build a storehouse of knowledge that ultimately leads to accurate predictions about a consumer. Tech Fact. Developed by scientists at Damo Academy, Alibaba's global research program, the Alibaba model scored 0.54 in the MS Marco question answering task, which evaluates a machine's ability to use natural language that topped the human score of 0.539. Computer Vision, CV. Computer vision is a very popular field of AI that trains a computer to understand and interpret the visual world. Human vision starts at the eyes, but machine uses digital images from a camera for vision. Deep learning models and machines accurately identify and classify objects that act according to what they see, using digital images from camera. Applications of computer vision. From recognizing to processing the live action of a football game, computer vision challenges and surpasses human visual abilities in many areas. Let us understand some of the real-time uses of computer vision. Self-driving cars use computer vision to examine their surroundings and plan its path. Drones can use computer vision to examine the health of crops and alert the farmers of the crop's condition. In healthcare industry, computer vision can be used to check the patient's image and determine the ailment. Computer vision is also used for security and surveillance. Real-life applications of different domains of AI. AI is all around us. Let us look at some real-life applications of the different domains of AI. In everyday life, a person may carry out a variety of tasks on the internet. These tasks generate data, and these data is processed by organizations to improve their business. Big data helps to analyze this data, and these data include information about consumer shopping habits, personalized marketing, fuel optimization tools, etc. Computer vision. Computer vision is a very important tool, and it helps us in many areas. For example, self-driving cars, drones that can examine crop health, patient imaging and diagnostics, security and surveillance. Natural language processing. NLP is very helpful in day-to-day life as it provides speech recognition capability to smartphones and other devices. Voice assistants and chatbots extensively use NLP to carry out the tasks given by the user. Knowledge zone. Barr and Feigenbaum in 1981 defined AI as artificial intelligence. AI is the part of computer science concerned with designing intelligent computer systems, that is, systems that exhibit characteristics we associate with intelligence in human behavior, understanding language, learning, reasoning, solving problems, and so on. According to FEI Lee, computer vision is defined as a subset of mainstream artificial intelligence that deals with the science of making computers of machines visually enabled, i.e., they can analyze and understand an image,